Bachelor of Science degree, magna cum laude, in sports medicine along with a minor in education. Her plans are to pursue graduate work in occupational therapy. There are so many things I could say about Amira, but chief among them is that she is an individual who quietly makes things happen, frequently behind the scenes, and with no attention being drawn to herself. Amira, in addition to being an honors student, is president and former treasurer of the African American Student Union. She's a member of the Student Government Association, the cross-country team, a student ambassador, a resident advisor, and a former member of the Habitat for Humanity Club. Amira has also given her time to serve in such fundraisers as Nothing But Nets to fight malaria, Hearts for Haiti, and Taking the Stage, which benefited a young boy with cancer. She is also an accomplished flutist and has shared her musical talents with the campus community on many occasions. According to Adrian Diaz, Amira is, quote, an amazing leader. And according to Tanya Ackley, she is genuine, compassionate, and has an extremely positive and contagious attitude. It is for all these reasons that I am honored at this time to present Amira Sabir with the 2012 Student Life Award. Would Maria Costanza